Okay, real quick video because I just haven't made one in a while because Saturday I had a soccer tournament. Then I ended up not going home until Sunday at like 8 because of personal problems. And then Monday, I was sick yesterday, which was Monday. And then today I have to go to the science fair thingy. That's why I'm kind of in a rush. It's really stupid. It's for my school. And then the rest of the week we're still planning birthday stuff because my birthday's on Friday and my party's on Saturday and it goes to Sunday. But Sunday I should have a video up. But I need requests because I don't know what video to make on Sunday. But I could sneak one in maybe tomorrow night, possibly. I don't know. Or, yeah, I can be able to sneak one in probably. But I don't know what to make because I need requests. So, yeah, and I also need shoutouts so I can get more subscribers and get more requests so I can make more videos. So, yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah. So, request, shoutouts, please, subscribe, rate, comment. Yeah. Peace. Bye.